Natural light has a transformative effect on a home, making spaces feel brighter, more welcoming, and even larger. In Dallas, where sunny days are abundant, maximizing natural light through your windows not only enhances the ambiance of your home but also provides energy-saving benefits and boosts property value. Whether you're renovating or building a new home, strategically designed and positioned windows can dramatically improve your living space. Here's how to maximize natural light in your Dallas home with the right window choices and design strategies. Choose the right window styles. The type of windows you install plays a significant role in how much natural light your home receives. Some window styles are better suited for allowing sunlight to flood your interior spaces. Picture windows. These large, fixed windows provide unobstructed views and bring in ample sunlight, making them ideal for living rooms or areas with scenic outdoor views. Bay and bow windows. These multi-panel windows extend outward, capturing light from multiple angles and creating a spacious feel. Sliding windows. With their wide glass panes, sliding windows are excellent for maximizing light in bedrooms or kitchens. Skylights and roof windows. Perfect for areas where wall space is limited, skylights bring natural light into darker spaces like bathrooms or hallways. Selecting the right window styles tailored to each room can ensure maximum light exposure throughout your home. Opt for larger windows. In Dallas, where expansive landscapes and open skies are common, larger windows allow you to enjoy both the views and the sunlight. Floor-to-ceiling windows. These windows are a stunning choice for modern or contemporary homes, creating a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. Tall casement windows. Their vertical design lets in more light while maintaining a sleek, minimalist look. Glass walls. For homeowners looking to make a bold statement, glass walls or panoramic windows flood interiors with light and blur the boundaries between inside and outside. Larger windows not only maximize light but also make rooms feel more open and connected to the outdoors. Consider window placement. Strategic window placement is key to optimizing natural light. The direction your windows face significantly impacts the quality and quantity of sunlight they let in. South-facing windows. These windows receive the most sunlight throughout the day, making them ideal for living rooms and kitchens. East-facing windows. Perfect for bedrooms, east-facing windows capture gentle morning sunlight, creating a calm and energizing start to the day. West-facing windows. These windows bring in warm, golden light in the afternoon but may require shading to avoid overheating. North-facing windows. While these provide consistent, softer light, they're best for areas like home offices or studios where glare-free light is preferred. By aligning window placement with your home's layout and Dallas's sun patterns, you can create a naturally illuminated environment. Use energy-efficient glass. While maximizing natural light is important, you'll also want to ensure your windows don't overheat your home during Dallas's hot summers. Energy-efficient glass solutions help balance light and heat. Low-E glass. Low emissivity coatings reflect heat while allowing sunlight to enter, keeping your home cool and well lit. Double or triple glazing. These insulated glass options reduce heat transfer and improve energy efficiency without compromising natural light. Tinted glass. Subtle tints can minimize glare and UV exposure, protecting your furniture while maintaining brightness. Energy-efficient glass ensures your home stays comfortable and bright, even on the hottest days. Enhance light with reflective interiors. The way light interacts with your interior spaces can amplify its effect. Thoughtful design choices help distribute and enhance natural light throughout your home. Light wall colors. Pale shades like white, beige, or soft pastels reflect sunlight, making rooms feel brighter. Glossy surfaces. Use glossy finishes on walls, countertops, or furniture to bounce light around the room. Mirrors. Strategically placed mirrors near windows can reflect light into darker corners, creating a brighter and more open feel. Interior design elements work hand in hand with windows to maximize the benefits of natural light. Add transom or clerestory windows. Small, high-placed windows like transom or clerestory windows are excellent for bringing in additional light without sacrificing privacy. Transom windows. These horizontal windows are often placed above doors or larger windows, adding an extra layer of light. Clerestory windows. Positioned high on a wall, these windows bring sunlight into rooms without exposing your living space to the outside. These window types are especially effective in areas like bathrooms, hallways, or kitchens. Keep windows clean and well maintained. Dirty or damaged windows can block sunlight and reduce the overall brightness in your home. Regular maintenance ensures your windows remain in top condition. Clean glass. Regularly wash windows inside and out to remove dirt, smudges, and pollen that can dull light. Check seals. Ensure seals and caulking are intact to prevent drafts or condensation that can obscure glass. Replace worn screens. Torn or dirty screens can block light. Replacing them keeps your windows clear and functional. Well-maintained windows maximize light and enhance the overall aesthetic of your home. Incorporate window treatments wisely. Window treatments can control light while adding style to your home. Opt for options that let in light without obstructing it entirely. Sheer curtains. These allow sunlight to filter through while providing privacy. Blinds with adjustable slats. Control the angle of sunlight to reduce glare while still letting in natural light. Motorized shades. These can be programmed to open and close based on the time of day, optimizing light exposure. Choosing the right treatments ensures you can balance natural light and comfort throughout the day. Conclusion. Brighten your Dallas home. Maximizing natural light through windows is one of the simplest and most effective ways to enhance the ambiance, energy efficiency, and value of your Dallas home. By selecting the right window styles, strategically placing them, and maintaining their cleanliness, you can create a bright and inviting space that takes full advantage of Dallas's sunny climate. Work with a trusted window professional to design and install windows that optimize natural light and complement your home's architecture. With the right windows, your home will shine brighter, literally and figuratively, for years to come.